Hey guys, I've just finished fitting the transducer to my FX140 in the hull. So shooting it through the hull there. Let's have a quick look and camera around, see if I can zoom in a little bit. It is just down here on the port side in that little cavity. So I've filled it with 2-part epoxy, and it's gone hard, and it covers more than half of the transducer, so I'm fairly confident that it will shoot through the hull. So time will tell. Cross our fingers and see if it works. I know it works on bigger boats because I've seen it work, but not necessarily through the transducer of the Yamaha FX140, which is it's a plain fiberglass hull. I believe the new nano cells may have some two layers, so there could be an issue with shooting the transducer through that with an air gap. So let's, like I said, fingers crossed and hope that this all works well.